Are you looking to enhance safety and accountability in your fleet? Meet SureCam's dual dash cam solution. This game-changing technology provides real-time vehicle tracking and instant alerts, keeping your fleet secure. With our dual dash cameras, you gain comprehensive visibility outside and inside your vehicles. Capture critical driving conditions and monitor driver behavior for unparalleled accountability. Enjoy instant incident alerts sent directly to your email. Get immediate notifications, enabling a quick response to any incidents that occur. Experience enhanced driver coaching with valuable in-cab footage. Promote safer driving habits and reduce future incidents through targeted feedback. Unlike competitors, our system utilizes AI-powered event detection. Monitor harsh braking, rapid acceleration, and distracted driving effortlessly. Don't wait! Transform your fleet management today. Get a demo of SureCam now.